No, I really look terrible.
Say something.
Go. What's up, guys?
What's up,
I
guys?
can't get this shit right.
Thanks. Welcome to our YouTube. We're going off to get some coffee, and then after the coffee, a cup of Joe. After the cup of Joe, we're gonna
What's
watch
the cup of Joe?
This coffee.
You said we're going off to get a cup of coffee.
Yeah, that's what I said. Also, I meant to say tan, and then also known as a cup.
Glad you do.
Then we're gonna get comments like, you're pertaining to the same thing, fucking idiot.
Cut. Anyway. Ciao. Anyway. We're on our way to get a cup of Joe.
Don't be Joe.
Don't be Joe, aka coffee. And stop by the store right quick to get some stuff to make tacos tonight, because for some reason this family refused to have tacos on
Tuesday.
Right, we just never do it. I don't know. I would love to say Taco Tuesday while we're eating tacos one day. It just never happens. It just,
Taco Sunday.
yeah. So Eagles better win. So we're going to have some tacos and decorate this tree like we've been wanting to do, I feel like, for days now. But the tree really fell overnight. Like, it looks so full. I'm so in love with it. When I woke up to go to the bathroom this morning, it was the first thing I said.
Yeah.
Do you smell that tree? It's just a natural air freshener. Like, you don't need nothing. It just smells so good. That pine just smells so good. Bam, bam. Oh, look, he was coming too. So yeah, run into this market right quick, get some taco stuff, and it's gonna drop me off and go get his coffee, and we'll check back in. All right, y'all, I'm coming back hours later. We got so busy with trying to hit a few more stores while we didn't have the kids with us, and getting a few more decoration items. I'm over it, but we back in the house now. Taco Sunday is Mason, get down. Taco Sunday is still in effect. They are on and popping, and we're just about to chill. I might need to make a little something in the blender for Ed, because them Eagles today break his heart per usual. So he is in a mood.
Not to. Why would you go out and get decorations all by yourself?
Because it's called therapy. Why did I go out by myself? So yes, tacos are cooking. We're about to start unraveling some lights and decorations, and finally decorating the Michael family Christmas tree.
Yay!
So ultimately, my plan for how I want to do the decorations is a toss-up between Candyland, Elf. Like, you remember when he went crazy and decorated the department store? I love that scene. So like, it's like a toss-up between like a Candyland, Elf, Winter Wonderland type thing, pretty much. So I want to have lights like all in the ceilings. I want to have snowflakes. I want to have candy canes, my favorite candy canes. Yeah, like Candy Cane Wonderland, I guess you would call it. So yeah, that's our plans for this year's theme. Candy Cane Topia. Ooh, girl, I like that one. You heard of that? Our theme for this year's Christmas decor is Candy Cane Topia. I think that's cute. Handy Manny.
Oh, it's twirled up. I don't know how to do anything. I know how to do it. It's twirled.
with that being said, we got enough done for the night. It's time to take it down. It's quiet in here. We're actually probably not going to go to bed, but we will catch up on some power. With Tariq crazy behind. Just pretty much chill after all we did today. But overall, it looks good. It's starting to look good. You like it, babe?
Love it.
Like, right, it looks good. It's Lyric called it Candy Cane Topia.
Yeah.
I thought that was so cute because we are going to put so much more peppermint things and red and white candies and stuff in the house. So I think that will be this year's theme is Candy Cane Topia. I thought that was really cute. Yeah. So, yeah. All right, guys. Until next time.